What is Gundam and what is all the hype about? On our recent trip to Japan it was everywhere. We decided to find out, so strap in and see what we saw. But I can tell you now, their base at Yokohama is amazing. Gundam, a cultural icon, emerged from Japan as a groundbreaking anime series in 1979. It's not just about giant robots battling, but explores themes of war, politics and humanity's struggle for peace. Its intricate storytelling and iconic mechs have captured the hearts of fans worldwide, symbolising Japan's technological prowess and resilience. Right, well, all that being said, Gundam has made billions. It's been around since '79. And I've just asked ChatGPT how much it's made and it couldn't give me an answer, but it did say in the billions. But it's everywhere in Japan and anime in general, and I've never quite understood the fascination with that either, but Book is well into it. But what I couldn't get was, I'm a middle-aged guy, I'm there on the train and it's full of middle-aged guys in their suits reading manga. Some of them it's disguised in their journals or diaries, and you can just see it over their shoulders. It's an unbelievable obsession. So we had our first encounter with a real Gundam in Diver City, which is in Odaiba. This was on the third day of our holiday, and you're talking, it's a bigger shopping mall than most of the places in the UK. All the high-end brands are there, and on the very top floor there's a massive store just dedicated to Gundam. And some of the figures were hundreds if not thousands of pounds, or yen as it is over there. And there's a big unicorn Gundam statue outside, which puts on a show. And it's not, it's huge, there's no getting away from it, but the show is literally less than a minute long. There's timetables for it through the day, and people come from everywhere to watch it. I couldn't believe it, and impressive. So there you have it, the Gundam show that people queue up for to get a good spot to see. Yeah, no getting away from it, it's impressive, and that's my first ever real Gundam. I must say that Diver City really is a nice place. It's in Odaiba, there's even a Statue of Liberty there, for heaven's sake. But am I buying into the hype yet? I'm really not sure. If you keep an eye on the channel, there'll be a video about a whole day spent in that area. It was just part of a day we had. We'd gone to Team Labs Planets first, which was amazing. Definitely a nice part of Tokyo to visit. It's right by the sea, it's got a little beach there, there's some lovely cool coffee shops. The food in the food hall inside was like all of them, absolutely amazing. So for a few days we stay away from Gundam. Well, we don't stay. For a few days we are not totally absorbed with Gundam, and then we go to Yokohama. Yokohama is the home of the big Ferris wheel that you see on the New Year's Eve shows, and there's a massive theme park there, but the main reason we came was for the Cup Noodle Museum, where you get to make your own cup noodles, but seeing as we're there, we can't escape Gundam. We of course arrived at lunchtime. So here we are at the Gundam Base. Just look at the size of it. It is huge. Wow, there is an option to go up the tower for a close-up viewing, but to be honest, I think you get a better view of the whole thing. To be perfectly honest, it moves twice on the hour. Well, that's a view you don't get from many cafes. The terrace seating opposite the Gundam Cafe is a really good spot to eat, and you can only sit on this terrace if you actually bought something in the cafe. As we were here at lunchtime, we pulled a bit of a face when we first saw the menu, and we realised that's only in comparison to other prices we've paid here. We got a really nice burger with fries and a drink. I had melon Fanta for the first time, and yeah, 1940 yen seemed a lot. but I've done a quick conversion, £10.67. Bear in mind, this is the equivalent of a theme park back home. You wouldn't get a nice burger under a tenner in one of them places, and it really was a good burger. There was some spiel on the menu about its beef from a certain district, and it was one of the juiciest takeaway style burgers I've ever had. Well impressed, and it's just so chill just sitting here. It's not too sunny, bit of a breeze blowing, and we're waiting for Gundam to do his thing. We've seen him do the first show, and we kind of saw him do the go back to bed show, but we were busy devouring our burgers. But it's, yeah, I could certainly watch it again. It's a 10-minute show. Costs, how much did it cost to get in? Look, £16.50, wasn't it? So I'd say about £8 to get in. And there is only one moving robot of this size anywhere in the world. If you're ever in the area, you just got to do it. And certainly worth it. Next show is in about 3 minutes. Been looking forward to this all week. It's really weird because I'm not that into Gundam. It's just it's a big bloody robot. It's got to impress everybody, hasn't it? We're actually quite lucky they're closing it next year and moving it somewhere else. There's one of only 3 Gundams in Japan. We've seen the other one over at Odaiba. So yeah, I might start watching it when we get back. Well, in case you get bored watching the whole 10 minutes, I'm going to say goodbye now and thank you for watching. There will be more videos, so keep tuned. Love and subscribe.
総員、配置についてください。マグネットコーティング、可動実験開始まであと10秒。これよりマグネットコーティング稼働実験を開始する。ガンダムは待機モードへ移行。速やかに待機モードへ移行せよ。了解。待機モードへ移行する。Confirmed. ABC is up and running. マグネットコーティング性能が予定通りならガンダムの動きがさらに加速されるはずです。この後、高機動タイプへの換装もありますよね。あんまりスピードが上がると乗っているこっちの身が持たないけどな。エンコーダーバルスは正常です。The torque value does not exceed the limit. ガンダムの各干渉クリア。問題ありません。現在のステータスを報告せよ。All motors are ready and good to go. 両足の減速機の摩擦抵抗、目標値に収まっています。このマグネットコーティング済みのパーツの乾燥が全関節で完了すれば、応答性も倍以上になるはずですね。F で6の性能を完璧に満たせるかどうかは、パイロットの腕次第ってことね。気に障る言い方ですね。でも、やってやりますよ。ミッションに集中するように。また怒られちまった。機体性能がクリアをしたって、こっちはニュータイプじゃないんだから。限度を持つな。Proved and transmitted. Please start testing the manipulator's operation. そういえば、オリジナル AI のシステムの不具合、最近収まったんだろう。そうらしいですね。システム開発チームの吉崎主任もプログラムが安定してきたって言ってましたよ。そうお願いしたいね。ミノフスキーフライト実験の時はもうさすがにダメかと思ったんだからな。 こから聞こえるんだ。どうかしたんですか？何か聞こえてくる。ラって音が。こちらには何も聞こえていませんが。システム障害ですかね。何が起きているんだ。そのまま状況の報告を続けろ。 F00 はこのまま待機モードに移動させます。ちょっと待って。ガンダムの F00 のコックピットに直接信号が送られている。違うわ。この信号はコックピットから発信されている。コックピット内の集音マイクの感度を上げろ。ガンダム、コックピット内のマイクゲインを上げるんだ。ガンダム、聞こえるか？ガンダム。こちらガンダム、ミッションコントロール応答してくれ。こちらガンダム、ミッションコントロール。君は誰だ？この声はどこから聞こえてくるんだ。君は誰だ？自分はパイロット。ガンダムの F00 のパイロットだ。ガンダムのパイロット。カミーユ、ハサウェイ。違う。彼らではない。ここはどこなんだ？地球なのか？私は僕はそうだ。僕はアムロ。ガンダムのパイロットだった。アムロ・レイ。アムロ・レイ？伝説のニュータイプ。僕はサイコフレームに宿ったアムロの記憶。君たちが呼ぶオリジナル AI だ。アムロ・レイはアクセスショックの時、地球を救おうとしてあのシャア・アズナブルと一緒に消息不明になった。そう聞いている。そう。あの時の記憶ならはっきりと覚えている。隕石落としを止めるために敵も味方も関係なく、あの場にいた全ての人々が力を貸してくれた。サイコフレームの輝きに導かれるように。ガンダム F00、 聞こえているのか？ダメです。外からの音声が遮断されています。なぜ自分の命を懸けてまでアクシスを止めようとしたんですか？それは自然なことだよ。未来へ向かって人の可能性をつないでいく。そのために必要なことなら命だってかけられるということだ。誰が話している？間違いありません。音声信号は F00 自身から発信されています。まさかオリジナル AI？ オリジナル AI が自らの意思でメッセージを送っているというのか？君もガンダムのパイロットならわかるはずだ。人類は争うことをやめようとしない。そして何度も同じ過ちを繰り返す。それでも希望を捨ててはいけない。どんな時かもガンダムのパイロットたちがこれまでもこれからも
験中謎の会話が聞こえた。一体誰と話していたんだ？
それはそうですね、なんだか懐かしい人に会えた気がします。
了解した。明日もマグネットコーティング稼働実験を継続する。そして高機動モードへの干渉準備にも取り掛かる。まだ格納点検が残っているぞ。早急に明日の準備に取り掛かるんだ。
了解了解了解。
今回の RX78F00 ガンダムのマグネットコーティング稼働実験は終了しました。次回の稼働